Hi everyone, welcome to the Be Creative 2022 challenge hosted by Tapping Flamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie. And this month, we have a theme every month. This is April, and rain showers up until this week. That was true to its word because we have been having rain like every week for 3 or 4 days, it seems like, since late March actually. And so anyway, I'm doing this video for the Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More channel. And I had two ideas in mind. One of which was, I know somewhere in my stuff, I have umbrella charms. I can't find them, so I went to Plan B. And Plan B was I had bought last year a Soft Flex Summer Rain kit. And I hadn't, and also two bead strands of the same name that are Jesse James beads, and I hadn't used any of them. So I used one strand plus two pieces of the bead strand, which this is not in color, but that's what it looked like. And I used, various bits and pieces of this, and including the Soft Flex beading wire in blue topaz color, which is a really pretty color. I don't know if that's a regular color they have, or if it was a closeout item. I'm not sure. I've had the lapis color before, which I really love, but this is a little bit brighter blue. So the themes in the kit were grays, rain, blues, which we equate to water, and silver. We were given a frog charm here, which I used, and that is, I don't know. Oh, tiara cast. That is tiara cast. It is single-sided, but it's smooth on the back. And then also this cloud piece, which is the feature. That's from Allegory Gallery Laser Cut Wood Cloud Pendant. Now, recently, Soft Flex has been selling these Ultimate Paints by Vintage. So, I painted it. I used I think this is Moonstone and the blue fluorite. Now, you're supposed to use some kind of silicone paint brush. I don't have those. I do not recommend Q-tips. It absorbs too much of the paint. Maybe toothpicks would be okay. But honestly, what I mostly did is shook it really good and painted. And then I kind of went with streaks a little bit. I actually did put this down on the, I have a piece of cardboard that's shiny, you can see. And I kind of mixed it in with a little bit of the silver, and I smeared it over it after the first coat of this dried a little bit. And then I actually went back over it with this because I felt like it was too blue. So that's what I did, and I did both sides. Now, I hooked these charms on with these large twisted jump rings because they fit. I'm probably going to take everything off, and also I was originally going to plan to crimp these right to the pendant, but I decided not to as well because I think I want to detach everything and do the edges silver too. You can see it's got a little sloppy there, or that moonstone color. And the back is okay, but it's more blue and more of the wood showing through. See? Another thing I could have done and probably should have done if I had more time, but of course I'm at last minute here. I could have put white gesso on it, let it dry everywhere, including the edges, and then painted it. And that probably would be the recommended way. So I may have to invest in the silicone brush, one or two of them. I'd like a fine one and a medium one or something next time I ever go to a craft store. So I did use the lobster clasp from the kit and two 6mm jump rings back here. I also think I'm going to add a 2-inch extender. This is about 17 inches from the toggle to here, according to my ruler, not my bead board. And then this is however long this drop is. I don't know. Let's see. Roughly 3 1/4 from the top of the cloud to the bottom of the froggy. And he's hooked on to this. Now there were 2 of these in the Jessie Jane bead mix that came in the kit, but one was like 1/8 of an inch longer than the other one, so they wouldn't have been good for earrings, so I decided to put that in the middle. And I originally was going to use these dagger beads which came in the kit at the bottom of here, but I wasn't liking how they were laying using the soft flex wire and crimping and then hooking it onto the bottom of this. My original idea was put them through tiny little jump rings. They don't fit through my tiny little, my tiny little jump rings don't fit through them, so that didn't work. And I wasn't in the mood for getting out my beading wire, my thread and doing bead weaving and stuff, so I used the frog instead, because frogs like it wet, right? So that's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. These beads were in the mix, and so there were 4 of them, and I used 2 for earrings. I didn't put any blue on them. They're sort of just a neutral gray. I think these actually are acrylic, but I did use bead caps. And then these are, they call them smoky quartz, but they're check glass smoky quartz, 3 by 4 millimeter. They're sort of crystal plus smoky, because some of them are a little bit smokier than others, I guess I'll say. Like some have clear with smoke in them, and others are clear, more clear, and others are more dark. Anyway, I hope that made sense. So basically everything on here is either from the kit or the bead strand, and yeah, that's my project for Summer Rain. Just I used like a foot of beading wire on each side, crimped 4 times. Did not use wire guardians or crimp beads, crimp covers this time. I don't really feel like I need crimp covers when I use the magical crimper, which is what I did. I bought it from Softflex a while back. And the last addition was these little tassels. Felt like they looked sort of rainy, showery too. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts, whether you take them off or leave them on. Or I felt like I needed something else there. Anyway, that's my project. Please go check out anyone else. I know Terry, Tapping Flamingo. I haven't been on my computer to see if she posted yet, probably. And I know I saw Metal Scrappin' Chick Kim post, so I need to go watch theirs. And also, I will be posting on my other channel, Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage, in a little while, maybe. And I should be talking with you again on tomorrow, but on my other channel, which is the 14th. And then on this channel, 2 videos going up, one for Pirate Pretty's Jewelry Challenge and one for Purple Passion for Purple, or Purple Passion with Metal Scrappin' Chick. Alright, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.